You searched for how to buy shares of Jiade Ltd. So let's confirm the basics. Jiade Ltd. is listed on NASDAQ and trades under the ticker JDZG. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will typically need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds to trade. Use the platform search field and enter the ticker JDZG to find the correct listing. Check the results carefully to select the Jiade Ltd. entry. On the Jiade Ltd. asset page, you can review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the right stock. To place a buy order, click Invest. Choose the amount you want to spend, then review and confirm the order before submitting. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set as a market/limit order, and the platform will ask you to add funds if there are insufficient balances. After the order executes, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the video description if you want to follow the same example.